Welcome to today's video where we'll be diving into the WR17X13200 refrigerator dispenser display. If you're looking to enhance your appliance experience, this genuine OEM part might just be what you need. Let's delve into what makes this dispenser display a worthwhile investment. First off, compatibility is key, and this dispenser display supports the display control board and houses the touchpad for the display, ensuring seamless integration with your refrigerator. Speaking of compatibility, it's worth noting that it can be applied to certain models from the GE brand, ensuring a wide range of users can benefit from its functionality. Now, let's talk about reliability. With genuine GE parts, you can have confidence in the quality and performance of your appliance. The WR17X13200 replaces several part numbers, including WR04X10182, WR04X10183, WR04X10187, WR04X10189, WR17X13113, WR17X13115, and WR17X13242, making it a versatile solution for various refrigerator models. Installation-wise, users will appreciate the straightforward process, allowing for hassle-free repairs or servicing. Whether you're a seasoned DIY enthusiast or just starting out, you'll find the installation process to be manageable. But perhaps the most compelling aspect of this dispenser display is the convenience it brings to your kitchen. With a fully functional display and touchpad, accessing and controlling your refrigerator settings becomes a breeze, enhancing overall usability and convenience. In conclusion, if you're in need of a reliable dispenser display for your GE refrigerator, the WR17X13200 is definitely worth considering. With its compatibility, reliability, and convenience, it's a valuable addition to any kitchen appliance lineup. So why wait? Upgrade your refrigerator experience today with the GE WR17X13200 refrigerator dispenser display. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.